What's good, hood y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. And in today's video, I got another item I would like to share with y'all. It's called a MAXCAM. Yeah, buddy. So I bought this on Amazon for 20 bucks, brand new. It's factory sealed and everything, which means I have high hopes for these, alright? I went and got a GoPro Hero 7 battery. Yes, I'm still rocking the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. It's still a really good camera. It still has some bugs for it, but hopefully that will be fixed. But anyways, let's get into it, alright? I needed a charger and a carrying case for my GoPro Hero batteries. This one really caught my eyes. The design is sleek and it's more compact, which is really nice. For the battery, I bought those wasabi batteries and I noticed that they die really fast. I put them in the GoPro and it's like 100% and freaking it'll drop like 20% in less than a minute. So figured I should just go with the official battery. And yeah, further ado, let's just open the product, right? Oh yeah, I haven't seen this in a while. One of my commenters, they said this was actually a male opening knife, so that's pretty dope. I always thought it was just a regular knife, and I was like, damn, this knife is super sharp, super nice, you know? Of course, it's for opening mail and products like this. Be extra careful, okay? This thing is super sharp. Let me just close that. Alright, first look on this thing. We're gonna look at this together. It's a portable battery charger. You guys see that? Yep, for the GoPro Hero 8765 or 5678, you know. I know the 9 is out right now and the 9 looks beautiful, but I'm gonna just wait it out for a little bit. I will just save that one for last. Alright, so you get this cable right here and I can see that it is a Type-C cable. Voila! And it also has that little branding name right there. That's actually a really good sign to have a Type-C cable because these cables are pretty fast and this, you know, we're in the future now, you feel me? Alright, let's put that to the side. Nope. And then you get this thing right here, which is like a little manual. Not even a manual. Yes, it is a manual. It's just showing you the steps and how to properly use it, I guess. Oh yeah. And then you get the beautiful thing itself. Sorry, I just woke up. Let's take that out the plastic. Alright, so first glance on this is really nice. It looks like a gunmetal. The feel of this is really light. Feels really plasticky. Alright, let's open this. Ugh. Oh cool, okay. So it's not magnetic. It's like, it has a little clamp to it. Clamp shut. And you have 3 right there, boom. So you can put 3 of these batteries into it. I mean, I could have just easily took my GoPro Hero battery that I have with me right now, but I needed a second one anyways. Alright, so this was sealed, which was really assuring, really nice. I'm not sponsored by any of these, okay? So this is just me giving my full-on honest opinion on everything. Oh, by the way, I bought this on Amazon for like $11. Oh snap, I broke the thing. So hopefully nothing's wrong with this battery. I've seen a lot of reviews on it and they say it was really good and stuff like that too. So okay, that's it. And you get this little battery right here. That's how it looks like. I don't know why they have that groove there for. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with it. It doesn't have that blue band around it, or stripe, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, alright, so let's see if this thing is even charged yet. I'm gonna just put it smack dab right in the middle. Close that. Nothing's happening, so I'm thinking it's either dead or it don't charge. I'm gonna plug this right in and then check it out. Sorry about that. I'm not gonna use the cord that came with it just because I have this one already plugged in. Make it easier for myself. Yeah, this cord is actually pretty cool. I forgot where I got this at. It has 3-in-1, so it has the lightning cable, the micro, the USB cable one, and the Type-C. So yeah. Alright, cool. Okay, this is my GoPro Hero 7. Shout out to my girlfriend who got it for me. Thank you very much, boo boo. I love you. Ugh, okay, so I'm gonna open this. Let's just be safe. I'm gonna take this off first. This is my original GoPro Hero 7 battery. Put that right into the first slot, and I have the second slot. The second one is the one I just purchased. I'll close that. Plug this in one more time. Okay, so it's taking charge, which is good. What I read or what I've seen so far, forget about the blue light, okay? The blue light just means that this whole thing is charging. We'll just say this one is the first one, so it's red right there. That means it's not fully charged. And then the second one is the second battery, which is in the slot right here. And the third, hopefully that makes sense. So basically, the first 2 are red. that means it's charging. And when it's done charging, once it's fully done charging, it will turn green. So that's how you know. I went into the manual and it gives you a better understanding about this particular item. So the power indicator is blue, which means the charger is powered. Then it goes on to the next one and it shows red light means the battery is charging. And the other one says green light means the battery is fully charged or it is not inserted. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna just let it sit there and see if it charges all the way, and afterwards I'll put in my camera to see if the battery percentage is full or not. All right, yeah. Alright guys, it's been about 30 minutes, not even 30 minutes, I'm over exaggerating. My first battery is fully charged, as you can see in the case green right there. The second battery is still not charged yet since that's the newest battery that I bought, so probably like really low. So other than that, I feel like this product is pretty cool. You can fit 3 batteries up in here. You can just use this as a carrier, keep your batteries safe. What I used to do was I kept my batteries in here. This is just your generic to-go camera pouch, whatever you want to call it. This is where I keep my batteries for my G7. Oh, sorry about that. Let me test it for you guys to let you guys know. So this is the battery. Slap that bad boy in like so, and turn it on. You guys can see it that it is at 100% full battery charge right there. So this product really works. Ooh, I can feel it a little bit warm, not too warm. Interesting. Hopefully that's not a problem, but other than that, I feel like this product is gonna be really helpful, and if you guys want to pick one up, I'll be sure to leave a link down below for that. Other than that, you guys let me know if you guys like this product or not, if you guys already own one, or you know, let me know if you guys are interested and you guys did pick one up and how it serves you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like the video if you guys didn't like it already. Subscribe to your homie for more content like these or anything else. I could do Pokemon, whatever. But other than that, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and now see you in the future. Deuces. Oh yeah, package.